Yes. So now we have to discuss the 14th question. We'll start the discussion of 14th question. It is little bit different. So here we have to use some new concepts, not new concept already you learned in the 9th standard. So that we have to revise here. See the question, sides AB and AC and median AD of a triangle ABC. Sides AB and AC, okay, and median AD of triangle ABC are respectively proportional to, it is like a little bit, it is like 12th question only, okay, respectively proportional to sides PQ, PR and median PM of another triangle PQR. Show that triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. 1 second students. What is the difference in 12th and 14th question? Sides AB, BC. There, BC is given. See, just to find out the difference. Sometimes we'll get confused that what is the difference between the 12th and 14th question. So you just look at the problem carefully. In the 12th question actually, sides AB and BC and median AD. Okay, here 14th question, sides AB and AC we are taking, okay, AB, AC and median AD of a triangle ABC respectively proportional to sides PQ, okay, PR, this side we are using in this question, PM. But the question, everything is same, only that AC and BC is different in 12th and 14th question. Okay, show that. Again, here we have to show that triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Here the diagram is ABC, PQR. So, construction is necessary. Without construction, we cannot solve this problem. Okay. So, this is AD is median. Here, PM is median. Okay, AD is median, PM is median. See here, AD median, PM median, PM again median. So here we marked this angle 1 and 2, 3 and 4 for the further use. Okay, na? In the beginning only I am explaining the diagram. So for the next use, we have to take this angle as angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 which is equal to angle 4. So here what we have to do is construction is we have to draw ED line which is parallel to this AC. Here we have to take the construction that ED is parallel to AC. In this triangle, SM is parallel to PR. This is about the construction. Now, in a triangle ABC, D is the midpoint of BC. How? D is the midpoint because AD is the median, in the sense it divides the third side into two equal parts. In the sense, can we take this as a median? Yes, of course. Here we are going to use the midpoint theorem concept. That's why this construction is necessary. That is ED parallel to AC and SM parallel to PR. Okay. So, D is the midpoint of BC. Here M is the midpoint of QR. Already, ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ಏನಾದರೂ recall ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, D ಅನ್ನೋದು midpoint. This line is parallel to this. Then, according to converse of midpoint theorem, can we say that this E is also midpoint of AB? So, ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದಲ್ವಾ, ಈಗ ಒಂದು D ಅನ್ನೋದು midpoint, ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೊರಟಿರೋ ಲೈನ್ second side of the triangle ge parallel ide andre which bisects the third side statement. Yes, I need the definition for midpoint theorem. Who is ready to give the definition for midpoint theorem? Yeah. Shaman, can you define the midpoint theorem, Shaman? Hello, Shaman. Shaman is searching. Shri Harsha, are you there?
Yes, Mataji.
Can you define the midpoint theorem of triangle?
Am I audible, Mataji?
Yes, Shri Harsha.
Mataji, am I audible?
Yes, Shri Harsha. It is clear. Your voice is clear. You can speak now. Oh, Shri Harsha is okay. Shantika,
Yes, Mataji.
can you define midpoint theorem,
Mataji, am I
Shantika?
audible?
Yeah, Shri Harsha.
Line drawn
A
through
line joining the midpoints of two sides is
Huh.
parallel to the third side and it is half of the third side.
Yes, very good, very good. Okay. A line which is joining the two midpoints of a triangle is parallel to the third side, and always this line is half of the third side. But converse of the midpoint theorem is a line joining from the midpoint of any one side of a triangle parallel to another side, and it bisects the third side. Here we are using the converse of midpoint theorem. So whatever we learned in the 9th standard, you have to keep it in your mind. Okay. So in the triangle ABC, D is the midpoint of BC. So then according to converse of midpoint theorem, we can say that E is also midpoint of AB. And also same way, in the similar way, M is the midpoint of QR. This SM is parallel to PR, in the sense this S is the midpoint of PQ. According to that condition, DE is half of AC. Midpoint theorem definition prakara. So ಇವೆರಡು midpoints ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, parallel to third side and half of third side. We all know that one. So we are taking this is DE is equal to half of AC, equation 1. Similarly, SM is half of PR, equation 2. Okay, equation 2. We are taking these two equation. Now, what is given actually? This AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR, that is equal to this median AD by PM. It is given actually. Now, AB. How can we write AB? We can write 2AE, no? Because E is the midpoint of AB, in the sense AB we can write it as 2AE. In the same way, this PQ we can write it as 2PS, which is equal to AC. How can we write AC? So, how can we write AC? 2DE. How can we write 2DE? Because, so DE is half of AC alva. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಈ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. ಡಿಇ ಈಸ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಸಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ 2 ನ ಈಚೆ ಕಡೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎ ಸಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2 ಡಿಇ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ದೆನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಪಿ ಆರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ದಿಸ್ 2 ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಸೈಡ್ 2 ಎಸ್ ಎಂ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ 2 ಡಿಇ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಎಸ್ ಎಂ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎ ಡಿ ಬೈ ಪಿ ಎಂ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ 1 and 2. Now in the next step, this 2 cancel, here also 2 cancel, AE by PS which is equal to DE by SM which is equal to AD by PM. Call this equation as equation 3. So now I think we got one result, AE by PS. This AE by PS which is equal to DE by SM, that is equal to AD by PM. Are you observing the ratio? ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಈ 1 ಅಂತ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬರೋ ಈ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ನ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಈ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ನ ರೇಷಿಯೋಗೆ ಪ್ರಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಎಇ ಬೈ ಪಿ ಎಸ್ which is equal to DE by SM, that is equal to AD by PM ಅನ್ನೋ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು. Can we say that these two triangles are similar from this result? Yes, of course we can say that triangle ADE is similar to triangle PMS according to SSS similarity criteria. So now we can take this 1 is equal to 3 corresponding angles of similar triangles. So here mark angle 1 ಈ triangle ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಈ triangle ಅಲ್ಲಿ angle 3 ಇದೆ. So from this result we can say that angle 1 is equal to angle 3. ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ನಾನು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ ನೇಮಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ, EAD is equal to SPM ಅಂತ, ಆರ್ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ನಂಬರ್ ವೈಸ್ angle 1 is equal to angle 3 ಅಂತಾನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Call this equation as equation number 4. Now same method we have to apply for this side. ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ನೀವು ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡಿಇ ಲೈನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಸ್ ಎಂ ಲೈನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಗೇನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದೇ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ 2 ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಆಂಗಲ್ 4 ಅನ್ನೋ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೇಮ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ರಿವೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದ ವರ್ಡ್ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನೋ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ವರ್ಕ್ಔಟ್ ಬೈ ಅಗೇನ್ ಬೈ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ದ ಲೈನ್. So this is enough. We can use the word similarly. Similarly, by drawing the parallel line for this side, we can prove that this angle 2 is equal to angle 4. That we can take directly, students. Okay. Call this equation as equation 5. Now equation 4 and equation 5 we have to add. That is how to add LHS plus LHS, then RHS plus RHS. 1 plus 2 which is equal to 3 plus 4. In the diagram we have to add. Okay, don't add like 1 plus 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 ಬರೆದು ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರಾ ಕೆಲವರು, ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So in the figure we have to add angle 1 plus 2 in the sense which angle? Angle A. Angle 3 plus angle 4 in the sense angle P. Angle A which is equal to angle P ಅನ್ನೋ result ಸಿಕ್ತು. Now our proof is almost over because see, 1 second, 4 participants are waiting. Okay, see here already we have the given data, that is AB by PQ we have, AC by PR we have. Then now we proved that angle A is equal to angle P. Yes, A, yes, yes, A, yes. Got the idea of this problem now? See here, so angle A is equal to angle P we got. Now take the two triangles, which one we have to prove similarity, that is triangle ABC and triangle PQR. In that already AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR given, angle A is equal to angle P, now only we proved. Therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Okay, so this is about the result. Even ಚೂರು ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನ ಹೇಗೆ, by constructing this line parallel to this one. Okay, we applied midpoint theorem. I think by looking the problem you can got the idea of the explanation part, no? So just observe the explanation part. Okay, so you get the idea of this problem. Can we move further, students? So last two problems, can we complete that one fast? Yes, otherwise Devasar will come. Next class is Devasar class. Okay, where is the 15th question now? Take the page of 15th question, students. Okay, 15th one is very easy actually. A vertical pole of length 6 meter casts a shadow 4 meter long on the ground, and the same time a tower casts a shadow 28 meter long. Find the height of the tower. So actually we discussed this type of problem in the example section, no, lamp post problem. Same type of problem. A vertical pole of length 6 meter cast. One vertical pole. Now we are taking this one as DE, one vertical pole. Okay. So shadow. ಅದು shadow ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೀಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಇದು shadow. ಈ vertical pole ನ shadow ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ 4 meter. Okay. So next, at the same time, a tower casts 28 meter long shadow. Tower, ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು tower in a shadow 28 meter ಇದೆ ಅಂತೆ. Okay na? Find the height of the tower. We are taking the height of the tower as AB. So why we have to take AB here only? Because the shadow is 4 meter here. Then shadow of the tower is 28 meter, in the sense here like this diagram we have to take. AB is the height of the tower and BC is the shadow of the tower. DE is the height of the pole, EC is the shadow of the pole. Okay, so very simple. DE 6 meter, EC 4 meter, BC 28 meter, AB we have to calculate. You all know how to solve this type of problem. First we have to take the whole triangle and another one is this small triangle. Same, we solved this type of problem in the example section. Okay, in triangle CAB and in triangle CDE. So first prove the similarity of these two triangles. Very simple. Angle B is equal to angle E because both the tower and pole, so they have the same ground, no? So that's why they are standing on the vertical position, in the sense 90-degree position only. That's why. So this angle ABC which is equal to this angle DEC, here we have the second one. ABC is equal to DEC because Both are standing vertically on the same ground, in the sense it forms 90 degree on the ground. Next, so in both the triangle, are you observing one common angle? In a triangle ABC, angle C is there. In a triangle DEC, angle C is there. Angle C is common angle. Therefore, this ABC triangle is similar to this CDE triangle, similarity condition. Now, we can write the ratio in the form of AB divided by DE, which is equal to BC divided by EC. In the example problem also, we have applied the same steps. This side AB divided by DE. This, okay na? So ratio of these two, which is equal to BC divided by EC. We are observing the tower and this pole height ratio, which is equal to this BC is equal to this EC. BC divided by EC, not equal. Okay, BC divided by EC. Now substitute AB, I don't know. Okay, we don't know. DE, it is given 6. BC 28, EC 4. Further, you know the step, that is cross multiplication. 4AB is equal to, here 28, 6 the 168, therefore AB is equal to 168 by 4, that is AB is equal to 42 meter. So height of the tower is 42 meter. Got the idea? A very simple question this one is. Okay, so same to same problem of that example problem, lamp post problem. Okay, so now we have last one question, we will end with fast. Okay, so tomorrow in the sense Monday, again we have to discuss one more theorem, new theorem. So this triangle chapter, in the sense this is a theorem chapter. Okay, yeah, here we have the last question. This question what we have actually, if AD and PM are medians, again and again we are taking the median concept. Okay, PM are medians, AD and PM are medians of triangle ABC and triangle PQR respectively, where this ABC triangle is already similar to PQR. Here the question is like this. Okay, already similarity condition is given. ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Prove that AB by PQ is equal to this median AD divided by PM. Nodi, in the 14th and 12th question actually, already this AD by PM ratio, AB by PQ ಗೆಲ್ಲ equal ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. But here they are giving that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. We have to show that this AB by PQ is equal to this AD by PM. Okay, given AD and PM are medians of triangle ABC and triangle PQR respectively. So, triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. It is actually given data. Okay. So, now using this we have to prove that this AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM we have to show. So, for that what we have to do? So, we will start the problem with the given data, that is triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Okay, now you got the idea of the question, no? So next, AB by PQ which is equal to BC divided by QR. From the given result, already these two triangles are similar in the sense corresponding sides are in proportion, no? So corresponding sides are in proportion and namge ಏನು result ಇದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ AB by PQ that is equal to BC by QR that is equal to AC by PR result we have. So, but we will take AB by PQ is equal to this BC by QR. Only two proportional sides, corresponding sides are in proportion. Now, AB by PQ hage itkoli median anta tashna ee plan nimage nenapagbeku. BC. This BC can we write it as 2BD? Yes. QR, that is 2QM. Okay, clear idea. Got the clear idea of this problem, no? Yes, 2 and 2 get cancelled. That is AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM. Call this equation as equation number 1, BD by QM. Now, angle ABC is equal to angle PQR because already these two triangles are similar in the sense all the corresponding angles are equal, no? For this angle B is equal to angle Q. Corresponding angles are similar triangles. Okay, so now therefore we got the result as angle ABD which is equal to angle PQM. Angle B is equal to angle Q andre angle ABD is equal to this angle ABD is equal to angle PQM. Can we say that these two triangles are similar now because AB is divided by PQ which is equal to, now we got the result PQ by BD divided by QM and one included angle. According to SAS similarity criteria, we can say that this APD is similar to this PQM. So here triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM according to SAS similarity criteria. Now what we can write, AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM alva. In the similar triangle corresponding sides are in ratio. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, see here AB by PQ which is equal to this AD by PM we need actually. So given data is triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. From this given data we begin the problem with the two ratios, that is AB by PQ is equal to this BC by QR. Okay, then AB by PQ is equal to this BC by QR. According to median concept we can write like this. Then we got the result that this BD by QM, this AB by PQ ratio is equal to BD by QM ratio. Next we all know that this B is equal to Q. See here, this divided by this which is equal to this angle is equal to this which is equal to this ratio. This divided by this. SAS property wise this triangle is similar to this triangle. Got the idea now? Then ADB triangle is similar to PQM. Now write the ratio of these two similar triangle. AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM is equal to BD by QM. But for our proof only these two is sufficient, that is AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM. This is the proof, hence proved. Hence we completed the third exercise, not the triangles chapter, just we completed the third exercise. Okay, now time for discussion, already 12:30. Okay, yes, stop sharing. Yeah, yes, if you have doubts in this exercise you can ask me now fatafat. Otherwise Monday I'll start the new theorem, next topic. Still 4 or 5 periods needed for the completion of the triangles topic. This is a big topic. Only 40 students are there today. Why? Where are the others? Yeah, hello. No one is ready to ask the doubts, no? Everything is clear? Hello, students. Sinchana? Shriyarsha?
Mataji.
Yes, Mataji, later please send me the solution. Okay, we will send the solution. Otherwise, any doubts, Shriyarsha?
No Mataji.
No doubts, everything is cleared now?
हाँ